First, Easter. Come on, bunny. You should go get him. Come on. Hi, Easter. You should bring him out here. Come on. Up, 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 ups. Oh, Easter. You're the first one. Yeah. It's new. Fuchsia's taking the rattle. Oh, Peter. Cadbury. Hi, Easter. What do you think, kids? This is pretty cool out here. Now we have plenty of shade on the side. Fuchsia. Spending some time with them as they get used to it. It's fun being outdoors. Oh, Fuchsia. There's Cadbury and Easter. You want to tug with your mother? No, we just want the milk bar. So it's their first time outside. They didn't come out at all on their own. But that's typical. Oh, there goes Cadbury. Let's see if anybody's going to tug with their mother. They already nursed from her, so. Oh, there goes Chocolate attacking the penguin. Easter going to do the rattle bottle. Oh, Cadbury, what do you got? There we go. Getting more comfortable out here now. Who's going to be the first one on the wobble board? Peter? Fuchsia, go get the toy. Go get it. Go get it, Fuchsia. Oh, well, attacking the penguin now. Chocolate started it. Oh no, you're biting his nose, his beak, and Cadbury. Chocolate with the penguin. Bunny, Easter. Fuchsia, come here. Fuchsia, stay over here. Bunny. First one on the wobble board. Not completely, though. Give them another day. It'll be all over. Oh, now Bunny's attacking the penguin. There goes Easter. Peter, what have you got? He's got the leather tuggy. Oh, Fuchsia's gonna get it. Oh, no takers, Fuchsia. Maybe. Here comes Cadbury. Oh, we got four attacking the poor penguin. Here comes Bunny. Hey, hi, Mommy. You come out to play with us? Let's get 4 feet on there. Nope, not just yet. Peter, how about you, dude? Oh, Peter, first one, 4 feet on there. Fuchsia. There's Peter. He's just checking it out. Cadbury, who do you think? Peter. Peter, you gotta move. Easter. What do you think, Bunny? Clip each end of the rattle bottle. Hi, Peter. All right, let's see. Comes Peter checking out the popper. Here goes Peter. Oh, Easter. What's this? Pink. With the penguin. Uh-oh. Cadbury, you're too cute. Really attacking the penguin. See if she continues. Get distracted by the rattle bottle. Maybe not. Got a hold of the tag. Oh, Peter, you gonna play with your mother? Oh, Chocolate's now growling. Peter. That's a puppy behind me, Cadbury. Oh. Oh. Oh, tugging. First mother and pup tug. Uh-oh, I think her tooth is stuck. Oh, do you like that ride, Chocolate? She says, I had no choice but to tug. Hang on. It was pretty funny. Peter and Fuchsia. He's hanging on, though. He's not stuck tooth. He's hanging on. Oh, Cadbury's back at the penguin. Fuchsia, bring that here. Come on, Fuchsia, bring it here. Fuchsia, come on, bring it here. Yay! Oh, Cadbury, she's twirling with the penguin. Eat her. Not my hand, Peter. What do you think, Charlotte? Mr. Cadbury. Brown butt of hers. Oh. Easter! Be nice to Cadbury. Where's the pup-ups? Where's the pup-ups? That's the dude. The dude. Hi, Bunny. Oh, is she going to be the first one to try to grab that? Blowing a little bit more. Peter, dude. He wags his tail. Peter.